Hello, this is a quick tutorial on how to turn on and off your 2FA, two-factor authentication. It's a security measure that you've got in place to make sure that your account is secure. When you the Authenticator app looks like that on my phone, and it means that not only do you need to, if somebody you need to log in using not only your username and password but also the code. So the current code on this is the bottom account there, 324501. So when I log in, the code is accurate, happy days, so I can get in. So what I'm actually going to do for the purpose of this tutorial is to turn off my two-factor authentication and turn it back on again. So I'm going to see my account says it's account secure here. You can go to your profile on the left hand side and select 2FA, or go up to the top right hand corner and select it from there also. And you'll see here that it's currently on and it's enabled here. So to turn it off, what I need to do is put in the codes, which is now changed. So I'll put in 420453. You'll see I've got lots of different accounts on the phone. I need to disable that quickly before the number changes, which it's done. Okay, so now it's off. Okay, so if I go to dashboard, I can now see that the dashboard says account not secure, please enable it. So I'm going to go back into 2FA, okay, but on my phone you can see that the code is still there. That refers to the last code, so I need to delete that, okay. So you select the pen on the top right hand corner, and then I make sure you select the correct account. And there's a circle on the left hand side. I need to actually just select that, and because I have a cover on my phone, it makes it particularly tricky to select that circle. So I'm going to be patient with it, and you're going to be patient while you wait for me to do this with my fat thumbs and fingers. So I'm trying to select the circle on the left hand side, which I just did, and then I click delete. So that deletes that account, removes that account. Okay, so I can now just click on the tick, and that account is now gone. Happy days. So now what I need to do is to generate a new code. So I just go up to 2FA QR code, select that, and it will now present me with a QR code, and it will also present me with the number which specifically relates to this. This is how you would recover the 2FA code should you lose it, right? So what you do is you need to make a note of that, and that is the number you would use if you lose your phone or lose your app or anything like that. You can use that code to recover your account, but my suggestion is don't do either of those things. You will still be able to contact MTI via support and ask them to disable it if for some reason you lose your phone or your app, but you'll need to prove that you are who you say you are according to your username and of course your email address. So I'm just going to go in onto the app on my phone. The Authenticator app can be found by going to Play Store, App Store on an iPhone, and it can be found by on an Android by going to the Play Store. So you just type in Authenticator app to find the app. Personally, I'm quite happy with the Google Authenticator app, but I hear a lot of people talking about the Authy app. You can use that as well, and you just install it, but I have it open here, so I'm going to select open. Brings me straight into the account, and because I've deleted the old one that refers to this account, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to plus, click on the plus, and it gives me an option to scan barcode. So I'm going to scan barcode. I'm going to scan the barcode on the screen, and it's now giving me a new entry, and the number's just changed there, and it's 364703. That number has to be entered in here before it changes, or even if it changes you'll need to enter the new one, and then just simply 364703, enable 2FA, happy days. So now the account is now secure again. So if we go to dashboard, I can see that the account is now secure. So I strongly encourage that you all take action and ensure that your account is secure. It has happened.